Viewing the reports for an email campaign allows you to view who opened your email, track bounces, clicks, and even see who hasn't opened your emails. In fact, unopened emails aren't necessarily a negative result and can actually be a second chance to get your message heard. They're also what a recent feature is all about. To use this tool, just click on Resend, which is located in the drop-down menu by clicking the More Options button in your campaign email reports. With this tool, you can now resend an email up to 30 days after the date it was originally sent, making it easy to schedule and resend your content to anyone who did not open the original email. This gives your message another shot at getting opened. Using Resend, you can also send the newsletter to all of the contacts you've added since the email was originally sent. And finally, send the email to a new contact list. Just give the list a name and type or copy and paste up to 50 email addresses, then click Save and Next. All you need to do now is decide whether the email will be sent immediately or schedule it for a future date, and that's it. The system will take care of the rest. It's worth mentioning here that an upgrade to one of our Pro plans unlocks targeted emailing for quickly and easily generating lists based on opened or unopened emails, specific links clicked, engagement, and more, as well as multivariable A/B testing. Feel free to call, chat, or email us for support and advice on which plan is right for you. At Benchmark, we pride ourselves in helping your business grow.